Once the file is downloaded, go to your download section, click on show in folder and extract this zip format file right here. Now this file is extracted. Now this PHP mongodb.dll, this file will help us to connect MongoDB with PHP. So copy this file, open the PHP folder, then ext and paste it. After pasting, just click on the name, select all and control the file name. Go back and look for the file php.ini. Now here on line number 932, hit enter, create a new line, type extension extension equals to and then paste the file name and save it. Now close this file. Now go to your root directory of the XAMPP folder. Under this Mongo folder, click on the address bar and type cmd. In this Mongo folder, we need to install some PHP libraries. So the command for that is composer require mongodb/mongodb. Hit enter. As you can see, the installation is started and it will take a couple of minutes to install all the. Now the installation is completed. Go to your Mongo folder and here you can see three different files. One is for vendor, the composer.json and composer.clock. Now you can create a new file here and name it as insert.php. We have done everything that is required to connect MongoDB with PHP. Now we need to write some codes to interact with the database. So open your file. Here we gonna write few lines of code to connect the file with the MongoDB. Now type require once space double underscore dir double underscore space dot forward slash space single quote forward slash vendor, which is the folder name, and then autoload.php, which is the file name, and close it. We need to type one more line, so type any variable name. I am typing as con equals to new mongodb backward slash client, open close first bracket, then open close double quote. Under this double quote type mongodb colon double forward slash localhost colon 27017 and close this line. To check whether the connection is working or not, just simply type print r and pass the variable $con. Now save it, open your browser and refresh the page. Now you can see that the connection is holding some values. That means the connection is completed. Now I am going to start writing some code to insert the new data. So open the. Now let's start to insert some new values to our database. So first, type $db equals to $con arrow and then the database name. Let's say test 2021. Now we have selected the database. Now it's time to select the table. So write $tbl equals to $db arrow and then the table name. Let's say table 2021. Now let's refresh the page and see if the database is created in the database or not. Go to the browser, refresh the page, and now open the database. Click on refresh. Now you can see that after writing the code for creating database and the table, here it is not reflected yet. It is because that we have not inserted any single value in that. That's why. Now to see the database in here, you must have to insert at least one value, then it's gonna reflect over here. So let's go to the editor and write a code to insert new data. Now type the variable that holds the table reference, which is tbl, then arrow. Now type insert 1, open close first bracket, open close third bracket, open close double quote, and the key name, let's say name, then equals to greater than. Now open close double quote and the value, let's say wide dash web. Close the line, save the code. Now let's go and refresh the page again and see if the database is created with the value or not. Insert 1. Okay, so the query error. Now let's open the database, refresh it. Now you can see here that the database name test 2020. If you expand it, you will also be able to see the table name. And if you click it, here you will find the value that we have inserted. Now let's go to the code and try to insert two values at once. Here now we have to add one more key, which is like year, then arrow greater than, and type the value, let's say 2021. Save it, refresh the page and see if the database is updated or not. Now you can see the latest data. Name equals to wide web and the year equals to 2021. However, we have not inserted any ID, which you can see over here, and that is because mongoDB itself assigned a new ID to each and every single element. Now let's go to the code and try to delete this data. So open the editor and type delete Now when you pass this value, that means the database will look for the keyword name with the value wide wave. If it found, it will be deleted. Now let's save the code. Open the browser, refresh it. Okay, you can find an error. This is because the delete is not a correct function. You have to write delete 1 and it's going to delete the first matching value. Now let's refresh the page and let's open the database. We have two values. One is wide wave, one is wide wave with 2021. See, the wide wave is gone, but the wide wave 2021 is still there. This is how we insert and delete the data in mongoDB using PHP. If this video is helpful for you, then it must deserve your one like. So please like this video, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my upcoming videos. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.